If you find yourself locked out of your Bank of America account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website. Explain the situation and provide any necessary identification to verify your identity. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions or provide personal information such as your social security number, account number, or recent transactions. This step is crucial for confirming that you are the account holder. Step 3. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may guide you through steps to secure your account or reset your password. Follow their directions closely to ensure your account is protected. Step 4. Change your password. Once you regain access, immediately change your password to something strong and unique. This will help secure your account against future unauthorized access. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Set up alerts for transactions to stay informed and report any suspicious activity to the bank promptly. By following these steps, you can effectively regain access to your Bank of America account and enhance its security. Always stay vigilant to protect your financial information.